So quickly talking about the empties of skincare, this is the Reculka Ceramide Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. This is an amazing moisturizer. If you have dry skin, you should definitely try this because it'll just leave your skin like baby soft, and it's only good for winters and not on in other seasons because it's very moisturizing. It can get sticky if you use it during summers and during humid weather. These three sunscreen from Dot & Key are very lightweight, very good, but not suitable for my skin because it made my skin oily and that sticky feeling was always there. My husband liked it pretty much because I don't know why his skin is oily already, but strangely it suited him. That's all. I would prefer the Wishcare one. I want to try. I have seen many reviews on that it's not sticky. So this is not a good sunscreen for me. This is a niacinamide face serum from Plum. I don't know. It did not do much for my face. Maybe I wasn't regular. That is why, or what, I don't know, but it did almost nothing. Those who have used it and think that it has worked for you guys, please leave me in the comment section below. Maybe I haven't tried it well. This is the 5% niacinamide serum. So if I think that I haven't tried it properly, I will give it a try again. This is the Pro Collagen Retinol Serum from Wishcare. This also wasn't that good for me because I used it on a regular basis and still there were fine lines on my forehead. That was the major issue for me. Maybe it's not for mature skin and it's for beginners only. This is a Deconstruct Retinol and Peptide Serum. This worked pretty well for me. Every time I used this, my fine lines on the forehead would vanish in just one usage. So imagine how well it worked. That's it. This is a pretty good retinol if you want to give it a try. And the last and not the least, the Plum Grapeseed and Sea Buckthorn Facial Oil. This is not a good oil. I had got this in PR. I was feeling quite like kab khatam hoga ye, because every time I used it my face would feel sticky, oily, and me who uses oils on face and hair regularly, I am feeling this. So imagine, it doesn't feel good at all. It's lightweight, but still when you apply it, it feels like there's oil on your face, it doesn't absorb at all. It's just there on the skin. So I did not like this. I don't know who has liked it. If this has worked, please leave that in the comment section below. I might have not used it properly, so it'll at least help others to know that works or does not work, whatever. This is all of the empties of skincare products that I have. If this was helpful, please do drop that in the comment section below. Bye.